Oh yeah, there we go.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Life Outdoors. Today, we're in Glenwood Springs. We're going to be doing a little bit of fishing here on the Colorado River. We're coming into winter season here. There's some snow on the ground. Temps are dropping. I think it's about 40, 45 out right now, a little less. And yeah, out for the afternoon. Gonna try catch a few fish before it gets too dark and cold. Water looks absolutely beautiful right now. Brought out the 6-weight Helios 3D today. We're gonna start with nymphs and we're gonna see if that can get it done, so stay tuned. Hopefully this is a fun, short little episode. I can show you guys a few of these beautiful Colorado trout.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's a nice one. Real nice rainbow. Real nice bow. Holy cow. Real nice bow. That was awesome. Right where we were supposed to be. Jeez. Heck of a fish. Oh man. Look at this fatty. Oh, there we go. Oh, gorgeous. That is what you want to see. Absolutely stellar rainbow. Okay. Look at that. Great bow. Really cool colors. And the little white zonker right in the roof of the mouth. Super cool. Hook wasn't even that far in there. Alright, you guys. Here's that gorgeous rainbow. Really great colors. Super cool fish, not that many spots. We're gonna go ahead and get him back in so he can, he's feeling lively, so we can go ahead, revive him up, get him on his way. One more look at that really cool fish. Nice bow. Off he goes. Back into the depths. Well guys, that is a wrap for today's video. I was just so stoked to get one fish. Haven't been out much this season, obviously, and just felt good to, you know, in my first weekend of unemployment, get out and go get a nice bow on the Colorado River here in Glenwood Springs. So thank you guys for watching. Check back for new episodes and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.